Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous video we have covered that how you can install Armbian Imager in the Windows operating system. Okay, now here on the camera you can see I have this Orange Pi 03 single board computer. Now I'm going to use Armbian Imager to flash operating system to this SD card for my Orange Pi 03 single board computer. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to choose the brand. So in the brand we will select Orange Pi. So let it load and then we will search for Orange Pi, and here you can see Orange Pi. Then after choose board, so in the board we will select 03. Here you can see Orange Pi 03, and in the operating system I am going to select Armbian version 26.2.0 XFCE desktop Linux. Okay, the size is 1 GB. If you want to select command line operating system, or you can say minimal operating system, then here you have the option. If you want Armbian bookworm Debian XFCE desktop Linux, then also you have the option. If you want Ubuntu CLI, then also for Home Assistant operating system you have this option, and for Armbian version 25.11.1, okay, you have this CLI option. But we will go with the desktop variant of operating system for Ubuntu. So I'm going to select this one. Image status warning we will select on confirm, and then after choose storage. So here it is only showing my SSD. So what we will do is I'm going to plug it. Okay, so here I have plugged the SD card. Okay, now I'm going to plug this into my system, and here you can see the mass storage of 59.6 GB is available, which is my memory card, or you can say micro SD card. We will select this. It will clear all the data from this SD card, and then it will flash the operating system to this SD card. So I'm going to click on erase and flash. So it will clear everything, and then it will write image to the SD card. If that image is not available in your local system, then first it will download that image and then it will write to that SD card. So I have already downloaded this image. I have tested these things. Okay, so that's why image is available in my system, and that's why it is not downloading it. It's directly writing to my micro SD card. Now let's wait until this process is done. So here you can see your SD card is ready. You can safely remove the device and insert into your Orange Pi 03. Now we will press on done. Okay, now I'm going to remove the SD card from the adapter, and here you can see we have the SD card. Now I'll insert the SD card on the back side of my Orange Pi 03. Okay, then we will connect our Orange Pi 03 with the HDMI cable, and using this video capture card I'm going to plug this into my system. Okay, now we will use this keyboard to provide the input, just like the password, and here is the USB to USB to type C cable to turn on our Orange Pi 03. Okay, we have successfully turned it on. Now I'm going to switch to this video capture card. So here you can see capture card, and here you can see our operating system is loading, which is from our Orange Pi 03. Now if you want to see the Orange Pi 03, then here you can see our Orange Pi 03 light is blinking. Okay, it means operating system is getting booted. And if you want to see the main screen, then you can use this video capture card and the HDMI cable and Camo Studio software to use it as a screen. Okay, and then you can select capture card, and here you can see Armbian is loading. Now let's wait for a few minutes. Now here you can see Orange Pi 03 login, root, automatic login. Okay, and we haven't configured the Wi-Fi, so it won't get the IP address here. Now you can see create root password, so we will use our keyboard. Okay, now let me change it. So I'm going to use this keyboard to provide the password. Okay, now let's change back to our capture card. So I'm going to provide the password TOOR. Okay, enter. Again TOOR. Now we are going to choose the default bash command cell, so I'll press 1 and then enter. Please provide the username. Okay, I'll provide parrot. Now create user parrot password, so again TOOR. Please provide your real name, parrot, that is fine. And connect to wireless. Yes, we want to connect with Wi-Fi network. Now here you can see it will show the list of all the available Wi-Fi network. Now I'm going to connect with my 5G network, which is on number 5, which is Capgemini 5G. Now it will ask for the password, so I'll provide the password and then enter. Now here you can see probing wireless link, so it is trying to connect with my Wi-Fi. Okay, it is successfully connected and detected time zone is Asia Kolkata, and set user language based on your location. I'm not going to select anything as of now, and let at your location more locals are possible, so I'm not going to select anything, and just we will type 338 to keep generating it. Now it is moving to the desktop environment. Now our configuration is done, and when you reboot your Orange Pi 03, it will automatically start into the desktop environment. Okay, here you can see Armbian Universal Operating System. Now it is loading from our Orange Pi 03. Now the mouse I am moving is my system mouse, okay, my local PC mouse, and the mouse I am moving inside the Armbian operating system, that is from external keyboard, or you can say Bluetooth keyboard connected with my Orange Pi 03. If you want to see the application and everything, then you can see it from here. Okay, now we'll open terminal and ls. Okay, ls cpu, you can check CPU details. Okay, now df -h. Okay, here you can see 53 GB is available from our 62 GB of SD card. Now let's check free memory, free -h, and total 2 GB of RAM we have, and 600 GB of something is free, and 1.3 GB is available. So that's how you can use the Armbian Imager to flash operating system to your Orange Pi 03 single board computer. You can also use Armbian Imager to flash operating system to your another Orange Pi board. Okay, so if you select Orange Pi as a manufacturer, then in the board section we will have multiple boards available. Here you can see Orange Pi 5, 3, 4A, okay, 5B. Every single board computer from the Orange Pi is available, excluding the RISC-V single board computer like RV2 and R2S. Okay, even Orange Pi 02W is also available. So we have covered the guide for Orange Pi 03. Now in the next video we will cover the guide for Orange Pi 02W. It's the same process. Okay, you just have to plug the SD card, you have to select the operating system, and then you have to flash it. So there is nothing new in that. So the process is standard, okay, just like the Raspberry Pi Imager, but the Raspberry Pi Imager is only for Raspberry Pi single board computer, and this Armbian Imager is for multiple single board computer. Okay, there are multiple manufacturers available here, so you can select any of the manufacturer, you can choose the board, and you can flash the operating system. So I hope it's clear. Okay, and if you still have any question or any doubt in this, then you can always ping me on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp, anywhere, and I'll help you to sort out any issues. Now let's meet in the future videos. Okay, and here is our connection. Let me show you our camera. Yeah, so this is our Orange Pi 03. Okay, it's a HDMI cable connected with video capture card. You can see here video capture card. Okay, this one is the power cable USB-C. This is a Bluetooth dongle for this keyboard, and on the back side we have the SD card which we have flashed using the Armbian Imager. Okay, and if you need this kind of 3D printed case for your Orange Pi board or any other single board computer, then we do provide that kind of case. So in case of requirement, you can reach out to us, and in case of any issue with the operating system flashing, you can also reach out to us. Now let's meet in the future videos. Okay, till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.